The galaxy robot. Everyone has it at school.
Leo, we talked about this. It is too expensive.
Please, Mom. Just this one time?
No, Leo. We came to buy school shoes, not toys.
It is not fair. Everyone gets what they want.
Leo, wash your hands. Dinner is ready.
I am not hungry, Mom. I am just tired. I want to go to my room.
You are acting strange since we came back. Are you okay?
I am fine! Leave me alone! Oh no! Are they coming here?
Who is it?
Police, we have a report about a theft at the mall.
Theft? Here?
We tracked a signal from a lost item. It is inside this house.
That is impossible! Leo? Leo, come here!
Young man, we saw you on the security camera. You took the Galaxy robot.
No! I did not! A stranger gave it to me.
That is a big lie, son. Lying makes it much worse.
Leo, please tell the truth.
I am sorry. I just wanted it so much.
Because of your choice, you must come with me to the station.
Mom, please! I will never do it again.
You broke our trust, Leo. You have to face the consequences.
Learning the truth is the first step, but stealing is a crime. Let's go. Leo, you told the truth. That is good. But you must make a small effort to fix the trouble, and you must offer an apology to the store owner.
I am sorry. I will work in the garden to pay the fine.
I accept your apology, Leo. Honesty is more important than any toy.
Leo, are you okay?
I am sorry, Mom. I am sorry, Dad. I was very wrong.
We are sad, Leo, but we love you. We are happy you told the truth in the end.
I am learning that hard work is better than taking things.
You are working hard, Leo. I am proud that you are fixing your mistake.
Thank you, Mom. I feel much better now. I feel light.
Trust is like a plant. It takes time to grow back, but you are starting today.